Morning. We are here in the middle of the night. Let's continue where we stopped yesterday. Hong Kong opening. Price is falling. Let's have a look at the last minutes. 1 minute chart here. So we've seen a spike up and a drop. Let's take that long from 40. Moving the stop forward. Exit when the price turns against us. Let's give it a chance to one more push up. Take some risk. So a good start is everything. So I don't want to have a bad start. 0.03% is normally where we get out. So we're out here. Quite a bad start. Let's go short. Move the stop forward and take the profit at 50. We want to get that loss back, and we're entering a resistance area as well. Short again. Yeah, 50 to 52. Taking that back now, plus 0.1%. Short, continuing on the ride from minus 54. I still think this can break down more due to how it broke out there. What's happened? You see one more push down here. Moving the stop forward. So let's be short again. From 51. Let's exit at 51. I was internally, I was wrong. So exit. So we had another 0.03% between 54 and 57. Okay, let's take a long and see if we spike up to 40. Exit here is line. Yeah. Exit there is 46. Let's try one more long. Exit that long. Let's say long. Sure. It's not so good. It was okay. So let's give it one push, one more push up, and just going down again. Yeah. Let's jump out there at 48. If we get 48, we got 48, and let's go short from 50. Stick with this pattern. I think we're gonna, as the pattern looks, but maybe we should trade it more actively. try to show some patience here. Maybe it's the wrong thing to do. So you don't want to start with a huge loss, of course. The price breaks up, but it is what it is. If the price is moving down and the entry is not perfect, you can time the market perfectly. You either take risk, you stay out, or you have a situation like the one we're walking into here. Okay, so that's a bad trade. So we are taking on massive risk here. See if the price comes back down. We can wait this one out. So here I rather try to normally to get out if the price doesn't move my way. So I try to get out there at 48. Let's take it at another place. Try to control the risk, minimize the risk here. Yeah. You can be short again from 40. So we're using minus 47 here on the day. So try to be short again there from minus 48 on the day from here. See if we're going down. I take it trade by trade. Manage risk tight. Move the stop forward to 50. Move the stop forward to 50. Take it again at minus 48. Move stop forward 50. 51. Out. Enter 52. Short. Move the stop forward 53. Get stopped out. No. 55. Yeah, good. Move the stop forward 56. Get stopped out. And there we manage risk. We can still be short. Enter short 57, 58. There comes the breakdown. 56. Let's continue watching that break. Move the stop forward to 60. Enter again at 58. Waiting for that last push. And 61, move the stop forward. Get stopped out. If it continues down, yeah, can enter short at 61. See if I have one more push. So we're short. See if we break through. We can stay with this one. We can break through 64 there. So as we see, we should be trading this one. So let's move the stop forward. Get stopped out. You can enter again here at minus 58, get stopped out at 60. We'll stop forward, get stopped out at 61. And now it looks like a false breakout. Let's try a long at 57 to 55. Yeah, there we go. Moving stop 4 to 51. We're out at 51. Perfect. So we collected 0.03% and 0.02% several times. And then we were long from 57 to 51, another 0.6. We had a few losses, and we had a journey from 48 down to 61, with a break from out at 54. So 48 to 61 minus 3 is 8. So we've taken 0.20% out of the market approximately, right? And we have achieved a goal of, let's take a long here at 51. It's unnecessary. Jump out at 53. Exit. Short from 52. Move the stop forward out at 55. Move short 55. Move the stop forward, targeting for 57. So our goal is 57. Short from 55. See if we're right with some patience. We have broken down. So it's short from 55. Of course, there's more potential in it. We give it some room. Give it a little bit more room. Move the stop forward to 63. Enter as minus 65 if it breaks. So we've taken from 55 to 63, so we got 8. Yeah, short from 65. Continues. I'll take another 2, another 3. Yeah, out 68. I'm short 69. So this one continues so far. We're gonna stop forward 74. I'm out. Just stopped out there. Short again from 75. Stop at 73. Out. Yeah. So we took another 57 to 64, 66 to 71. No, to 73. No, 74. 73. So another 8 plus 8, right? 6, 7, 4. Yeah. Okay. I'm short from 72. See if this continues. Down. Out 69. Take a loss of 0.03%. This can spike up. I want to protect my result. So we see a pattern, right? So this one can go up. So let's try a long here from 70. Move the stop forward. 67, take 67. Yeah. So move the stop, get stopped out there. 0.03%. Wait. So small. Let's be short. From 69, 70, from 70. See if we have one push down more. Wait for that. Push down. Move the stop forward to 69, get stopped out. In again from 71 short. Stay with it a little bit time then, this time. Taking on some risk here. Exit at 78. So from 71, so 2 losses there, 0.02 or 0.1, and 0.03, so 0.04. Not that good. Let's take, that was the push I was waiting for. Bad trading, should have called it. So that was the pattern, of course, we've seen all the time, as we see here. But that sets us up for another short. Let's do a trend line here. Let's see how far this will push up. Yeah, so let's be short here from 59. If it breaks the trend line. It's not perfect. So we have a good profit there at 64. Could of course do more. So I don't really know what to do, to be honest here. Get those losses back, control risk, or aim for more gains. I choose to control risk here. So I take my small profit from 59 here at 61. Yeah, I'm out. And if it comes down, I can go in now. So in short here from 63. Not the best entry. So I got fooled. So I got fooled there. Or should we have some patience? Let's see if this continues down. So I'll take my loss at 62. I think it can spike up. I'm long from 62. It can spike up once more. Oh, out 64, short. Yeah, so let's stay with this short then. So what could have happened? Of course, a lot of things could have happened. So where we're going, where we're at. So where have we been? What's stopping us here historically? Monday 13, not that much, to be honest. So we have a great win here of 10. Move the stop forward to 73. I was a bit too slow to say it. Let's say it now. Move the stop forward. I think we're going lower, as we can see. Move stop 73. Join in again at 75. Short. And we're gonna push lower. Certainly don't want to give back that much. I didn't say anything. Should have maybe kept stop tighter. Okay, so we're following a certain pattern, right? And we think it's still room on the downside. So I thought we broke lower. Did we touch that line? So we touched that entry. this range here. We're still short from 75. So I can jump out to 70 knot, at 70 knot. So let's stick with it. Wait for the price to break into this range. Okay, so let's have a look at how it is, the 1 minute chart. Okay, so let's look for, we would like a better entry that follows the pattern. Exactly what we didn't want to see. So we were at 78. Is it that hard? To be honest, to break down. That's not good looking, breaking that line. So I have a slightly bad entry. So my old idea to get out to get a better entry was the right one. Yeah, could have moved the stop forward, of course, to the line here. Yeah. So let's protect ourselves then and exit here at 72. Take a long. See if we want more push up. And we have to work all that back. Move the stop forward. And have that push. Exit short. So in one aspect we have not broken another line. What's the point of having a line if we're not consistent with it, one could say. So we're short. I think we're gonna go down again. Chaos in the world of maps and prices. Okay, so let's get out here, protect ourselves. Let's be long. Move the stop forward. It's a range, so we want to be short. So I can see price, but I'm looking at this range. So move the stop forward. Price comes back down to the range. We'll be short. We reach the bottom of the range. Do the same thing. Move the stop forward here. But I cannot see. Yeah. So I couldn't see the prices, had to make some changes and couldn't focus on it. So we're at 70 something. Still move the stop forward to the range, but of course we could have moved the stop forward, locked in a profit. We get out here, so we're hoping for a short again then at 63. Let's see if we can do the same thing again if it respects the range. Otherwise we'll be out if it breaks here. Long, broke that range. Still long. It can be, so I can exit. I think it's gonna come down again. Short from 60. I'm out at 55 long. So it's a huge change from 78 to we're seeing, and we're breaking into previous ranges more now. We have no idea where this is going, and respect the market structure. Do your job as a trader. So you have a trend line that's broken. It's exactly where it's broken here. And we see that the price continues up. So yeah, what can you say? Or maybe we change the line a bit, but you get the point. Even if it's broken here, it's still broken. Yeah. So what's happening? We're gonna break into the range on the upside. So here you move the stop forward normally. You don't want to take on all of that loss. Yeah, let's get out. Let's get in at 58. Let's go long then. Move the stop forward to 54. 53, get stopped out at 54. From 58, move the stop, enter long, 52. Do the same mistake as yesterday. Price is approaching a target line and you don't get out. Let's take 49 if we get 49. Yeah, well, let's take 49, move it into 48, move to 47. We're out from 52. Enter again, 42. Of course, we had a huge push after I said that. Move the stop forward to 40. From 40. 41. Move the stop forward here from 40 to 39. Take that profit. Yeah. Okay. See one push here then. Tight stop. Get stopped out at 40. See if we can have one push. Yeah, stopped out at 40. Let's take a short from 40. Wait for it a little bit. Stopped out at 37 this time then. If we reach 37 again, we're stopped out. Move the stop forward to 40 there. Now being stopped out at 40, not to take risk. Short again from 43. So move the stop forward to 43. Move the stop forward to 47, get stopped out. I'm saying that too slow, but that's how you do it. Enter 47, 48. Same thing. Stopped out. at 47 minus 0.1%. Yeah. Let's see. Let's try a short from 47. See if we continue down. Give it a few minutes. Yeah, limit the risk out at 45, 46. Push that forward. Yeah. Short from 49. Terrible timing. So now it looks like we could continue further down, that we had a false breakout on a double top. It's very volatile, so I don't know what to do, but let's try to stick with this one then to the line, down to the line here that we have at least. So price is stopping here around I don't know why it should stop there, to be honest. Let's give it some time. See if we can push to the line and maybe further down from the line, move the stop forward. Now we move the stop to our entry. We're not going to take a loss on the trade. So we're stopped out. Yeah, let's try a short from. Do we get something better than 45? Let's try a short from 4. Okay, let's try a long from 42. If you're pushing it. Short from 40 out at 45, short from 46. Move the stop forward. I'll take 48, 49, take 49, 0.03. Let's try long here. 47. Let's see if we have a push up. Move the stop forward to 41, exit 41, satisfied with the trade. From 47 to 41. Let's try long there from 42 for that last push as we see. Maybe 41. So move the stop forward to, can we get 48? Get 49. Yeah, so yeah, let's see. This one looks like it can break up beyond this line. Okay, I'll give it a chance to break higher. Wrong decision. So let this one break higher. There we go. So we're long from 42. I have no idea how high this will go. I'll take my profit at 31. I'm happy with that. From 42, great profit. Long from 27. So So I'm in again there from 27, taking 11 out of the mark. I'll move my stop forward. I'll take 24. I can be long again later. So I just move the stop forward. I'm very satisfied. Maybe we're going up to here, maybe not. So we had 14 there. I'm long from 20, 24, 25. I think this can continue. I can use here. So we're doing the same thing every day. So we'll take a look then. How high can we go? Yeah, so move myself forward definitely to 18 there. Enter again at 17 when we break above the Fibonacci here. So from 24 to 18, I'm out at 18. So I would say 19 then if I was too late to say that and putting the Fibonacci up, but we're touching the Fibonacci exactly. And then there's no reason not to enter after 17. So I'm still bullish. So I can be long here from 20. I think we can have one push above. I think the 76 level is the most important Fibonacci level in this case, or 66% would be important because it's still looking very, very strong, the trend as well. Yeah. So because you also see there's nothing here in between. So we have one line that actually is at previous resistance that is at the 76 line here. And we're trying to push. Oh, I managed to get that right. That's great. So we're long from 20. So here we could move the stop forward because we have a big win that I want to lock in. Locked in at 12. If it passes, we can enter again. Long. Red push. Move the stop forward. So that's not a good entry. So that's a really, really bad entry. Damn! I get out at 13, moving forward to 12, so I get out at 12. So I'm -2 on that entry. So my first reason to get out was these spikes here. And this is the 66% level in the Fibonacci as well. This is definitely a level where the price can reverse on you. So let's see here if it will break. Long from 09 then and try one tight stop. Yeah, good. In it to win it, as it's called. Strange. Have no idea what to risk, where to take risk, and how to take risk at this moment. Looks like it's gonna go up to the line, right? Move the stop forward to 03. I'm out. We hit the line. Perfect. From 09. Another 0.6. So we had one loss of 0.2. We're in it from 20 to 30. We were in it from 42 to 31. From 27 to 24. Let's see if it pushes higher. I'm gonna go all the way up. Okay, let's try a long here from 404. Yeah. I see a double top, very strong. Minus 0.4, so I push my stop forward to 0.03, get stopped out at the other line here. Great win. Long again from 0.5, 0.005 plus 0.5. Take another 9 there, move the stop forward, take it at that line. Probably should stay in it, but why take risk? So okay. Yeah, it can be long here from 0.7. Try one push. You see there, so I'm out 0.04. I'm not going to give this back. So now I could. I'm short at 0.03. I think we're going to hit 0.01. And that, so take it at 0.01. Move the stop forward there to 0 is what you want to do. But at least 0.01. Yeah. I'm long here from 11. Red push all the way up. So I think we're gonna top out here. So I only care about not giving back from my profit. Yes, I should have been out at 0.09. We'll give it a few minutes. It's been a bit volatile. Yeah, we'll give it a few minutes. Seems like it could have one more push back up. I have no idea where to exit. So let's exit at 0.03. We can let that, move it forward. Yeah, I'm out. Huge loss from 0.012. I'm out. Long again if it reverses. So try a long here from 0.4. So I'm out at 0. Huge loss again. Short. If we're gonna touch that line then. So it could be that that was the double top, you never know. So I'll try a long here, exit. Even though we might have a loss there at 0, 0, so try a long here. See if it comes back up. No, I'm out. 0, 0, 2, so given 10, 14, 15 back out of that journey. Let's see what happens and wait for some short from 5. It breaks the line. Take it as a double top then. Giving a lot back on this journey. Down. What the gains? Yeah. Are we going down or what's happening? So let's stay with it. For portfolio reasons, you could take 0.06, but for portfolio reasons, you could also try to make more money than that you wouldn't have the time or chance to enter a push down. So are we changing direction like that at that level? Here? I have no idea why. Why would we do that? So there's one resistance area there. Now I can't see nothing, but I can see prices moving up. I can see price coming down again. Here, this moving line. So I'm probably back where I entered, so I would move the stop forward and accept being stopped out. Here, short again. Here, seems like it's pushing down again. But I won't know. I need to see you now. I cannot. Now I'm not looking at the price. It's spiking up. I can't do that, what I'm trying to do. So where was my other line? So I'm lost which line we were at. Were we here when I said I would exit? And it spiked up to here. Yeah, let's be short here. Long. So is there a Fibonacci level here as well? So I'm betting long due to that push. So it might be a Fibonacci, but it might also only be a reaction to how much we've been going up. So we're long. Yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't fully understand the point. Why the price would stop at that level when it had been that strong. So we stopped here previously. Not there. Now we push to that line. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. So a lot of upside left in this one. If it pushes above. So let's so you don't want to take a short if we see a push. We could of course see a reaction that also gets a bit tiny. So I don't want to get stopped out. That's why I'm taking risk. But of course I see the risks that are here, that we are forming a pattern, downward pattern, exactly like this pattern. We're doing the same thing in a miniature scale. That you think you're gonna go up there, but if you look at that relationship and that, it's a little bit similar. But good. Yeah. Now push to where you should go. Here I could then drop 04, but so here I don't want to risk 04 for the next push above 12. So we're at 0.08. It hit my line. I would move the stop forward normally to some level. So if I'm not pushing it exactly there, I need it at some. Then I would put it here, because it's a break of these, the low of these candles, the highs of these candles end, and I would give it this much room then to go higher. Would probably cost me, would probably be bad and cost me. Now if it drops and does like this, I'm not out. Now I would be maybe stupidly wait for the price to push higher up to here. After another double top. But I don't want to take on that much risk from 08 to minus below zero. So minus on the day. I also lost track on where we are on the day. So winning and losing. We should be winning if this one makes it as well. So I should have like a number here, like 11, 12, 20, 10. Could just click and remember where we're at on the day. So here I would take the profit for portfolio reasons. I was speaking about different things and I wasn't looking. Yeah, let's get out and take a short then. I don't know what's happening. Yeah. Short to the bottom of the range. Move the stop forward. Try a long here then. And move the stop forward to 04 here, because I think we can go down and try a short. Still think we could go lower and hit that bottom in this range? No. So I'm stopped out at 04. Now we're lower again. So now I don't know. But I want to take risk because I want to join the journey up or down here. So either we break down here again, or we reverse up a little bit before we might be going down. So I can be short here from 07. I think we'll have one push down here. Move the stop forward after 09. Take 09, so I'm taking 2. Going back to basics there a little bit. So I'm putting myself in this mess again. So 09 was here. Short again. I think we'll push lower from 08. So I think we're going to see minus 11, minus 12. The question is, are we? Minus 12. We break the line. Yeah. Let's see where this leads. I'll move the stop anyway to the line to 12. I'll be short again. Short from 13. So I'll take those 4 from 08 to 13 to 12 and short again from 13. Move my stop forward. I don't want any loss at all there. Wrong thing to do. Short again. 15, 14. Do I get 14? 15. I'm short from 15. I don't want to miss out. So I didn't lose anything on the last trade. Sticking with this one a little bit. Short from 15. Didn't need to be perfect. So this could go, all the way down. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know if we're going up or down anymore either. Let's have it hit at least my first line here then. Around 24. 15. Yeah, so maybe I should be more active given the patterns that we've seen. So let's see how far down this will go. 26, good. All the way back to 22. Yeah. So I have to be out there at 2021 because it reversed up. So I should have moved the stop a little bit more. with the trade. So from 15, so I had 26. I got 6 instead of getting 11. It cannot be perfect, but I could have moved it to 23 at least. I'm starting to be a bit more careful. Let's see here. Let's try I want to try a short again. Yeah, from 16. Betting on that we don't break and go all the way up, that we are going down. And that was just only, maybe it's what you say in English. That was only, not just. I'm out at 14 from 16. Yeah, long. If we can hit the line, good. Passed above the line. Move the stop forward. Getting stopped out at 10. Yeah. So from 14 to 11, very close to 10. Yeah, I'm short. 15, maybe not a good move at all. Let's see 17 and take a tight stop. So 17. Did I get 18? Yeah. I'll take 18. I can be short again. I'm short again from 18. Took 0.03%. Move the stop to 18 here if I can. Really, really tight. I'm out. 17, 18. So I'm long then from 15. Maybe you are going up. Oh, really careful. Out at 17 maybe then. Short from 20. Betting on that we only saw a reaction, that we want to go down more. Strange movements. Not doing that well, but making money. Mostly thanks to the size of the price changes versus the timing and trading. Yeah, so we're at 20. We're at 22. Gonna break below 26. Let's see. Or 24. I could take profit at 24 if you give me 24. If I get 24, I could take some profit. I want to stay with this one a little bit to see if we're actually going down, because we're in a downtrend. But it's not that easy to say. So I don't dare to, let's say, trade on the 5 minute and say, oh, if we just wait 5 minutes, we'll go lower. I continue to respect the previous levels where price has changed or stopped or moved. So I think I'm doing fine with my 1 minute chart here. Could go down to the 10-second chart, because I think it's useful now. Yeah. So I got my 24. I got the 25. I think we can go lower. So I don't want to get stopped out right now. It looks good. Maybe that's the wrong thing to think, but it looks good still. So I don't want to be stopped out. 28. Give me the 1 minute chart. Yeah, 30. Now I'll move my stop forward. 31. 32. I'm stopped out. 31. Because of the size of the gains, I'm short from 33. So I locked in from, was it 18 to 31? It's a great journey. I'm speaking and thinking and counting, so when I closed my eyes, I didn't see that. Let's stick with it a little bit then. So we broke into a range. I'm short from 33. I'm giving back how much? Ridiculous. Out at 28. 27. From 33. Fucking price. Long from 26. Give me 22. No. I'm short out from 27, and I'm short. I'm out from 26. I'm long. I'm out at 27. Giving 1 back, 3. I'm short from 28. Yeah. So we broke into a resistance area. Yeah, so I can be out. I want to on the right up here. So I'm out from 28 there. Yeah. I want to be long from 28. We're going to push up one more time. I think we can see 20. And 28. Try to gain back a little bit of those losses. I'll move the stop forward to 26 and take 2. I'm long from 27 if I get 27 again. Yes. I'm long. Do I get one push? No. Yes. 25. So I'm still long. So normally I would get one more push, but or up to 25 at some point. Okay, so I'll take 25. I'm out of 25. Back in. I want to be short. I think it's not pushing well. I'm short from 26 to 28. I think it's more likely to see 28, and then we see 24. I'm out. I'm long. So you've seen 28 a billion times. Then we get 24 when I change. And long from 24. Then I want to see 22, of course. I don't want to see 27, 28 again. But technically, that was the push that I was looking for. So I have to say I took on some risk there. Yeah. So I got 21. Did we get 20? Yeah. So I thought we could continue. I lost track of that. We're in a downward trend. I'll take 21 is what I'm about to say. Move the stop forward at 21 next time, get stopped out. 21.20, move the stop forward this time. Get stopped out. We have to enter at 19. This could be the push. So I got 4 out of the markets. I'm long from 23 again. I want to see 20 again. 21, move the stop forward there to 21. Move it to 18 or 20, 19 or whatever. If I didn't say that correctly. So 19. Same thing again, long. I'm not moving the stop forward in the same way this time because this one I think can break higher. Even though, of course, we're starting to get close to dangerous patterns now. So I'm long from 20, right? Didn't want to move the stop to 18 because I thought we had one more push in it. I'll take one more after 16 here then. So I'll take 15. So 16, easy to say now, right? So let's say we're out there at 21 then with a loss. I don't know what to say. Let's be short from 23. Or let's be long from 24. So out, take that and be long from 24. So what I'm looking at is a pattern. So move the stop forward after 21. Move the stop forward 20 or 18. Move it forward. I'm out. So I'm looking at this trend line and that we are in a downward trend of some. So it's interesting when you look at it like that, how different it looks versus when you look at it like that. Let's try a long that we're breaking market structure. That's a bad idea. Let's try a long on that we are breaking market structure from around 20 here maybe. Mostly based on I said it, but I didn't say from where before. Move the stop forward to 18. I think we're gonna move the stop forward to 17. I'll be long again from 20. I think this can push up more. I'll take 17. Give me 20 again. So I'm short from 17 to 19. Because that happened many times. I'll take 18 on that short. I'm long here then. Let's see if we can push above. This is how you get fooled. Yeah. I'll take a short from 17. All the way down to 20, 21, 22. I want to see 21, 22. Yeah, there we go. I'm satisfied. So 0.05% is normally then. So I think we can see a long from 20 to 17. Betting on that we're still ranging. Wrong thing to do. Here we go. I'll take 18. We broke out of the range. Yeah, I got 17. Got 16 because I said I take 18. And then I move my stop forward to 18. And then I move it to 17. And then it hits 16. And then back to 17. Short from 16. I'm out. This is not my range. Short from 15. Yeah, I want to see 18 at least, or 19 then. Maybe I should take 17 because it's dangerous. Okay, let's take 16. Get out. Yeah. Long from 15 or 14. I would be long from 13, but we will give it a push. And this could be a good short. Let's jump out 13. Yeah, it touched 13, so I got 1 or 2. And I want to do a short. I didn't get that timing right. Let's be short from 15. 14 would be better. But let's be short from 15. Tight stop. We're out at 12. Giving back 3 to the market. Yeah, maybe I was too greedy there. Could have taken 17. Long from 11. Was out at 12, as I said. So now we changed again. Want to go up again then. Yeah, I'm all with you. The market, I have no opinion. I'll take my profit at 6. I move the stop forward 5. I'm satisfied. I'm out. I'm back in at 5. I'm out at 6. I want to be long from 8 or 9. Okay, I'm long from 6. I think we have one more push to this one. That's how you get fooled. That's how you get fooled. So I'm long from 6. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to manage risk. I can see that we probably will go higher at some point today. There we go. So we have that push. And there I go. And now I move my stop forward. 02. I'm out at 02 from minus 06. I'm taking 8. I'm long from I'm not long. I'm long from 03, I would say, but I'm not. Yeah, so great trade. So let's be careful this time. Yeah. So we must be in the green at least 4-5%, right? been quite fun, actually, to be honest. For how long have we been streaming? 1 hour and 17 minutes. I'm not saying it's been good trading. It's not as bad as the last session, where Beyond Meat saved us a little bit. It's been bad trading, I would say. Maybe take a leg stretcher, as we call it in Sweden. So it's first day, so it's the fourth day of doing this. Night and morning and day and night. So would anyone like to follow us? So there's nothing to be sorry for, my love. That we highway to the stars. I got devotion. So I should be looking. So I'm too high. So let's get down. So I should be like this. Smile for the camera. Maybe I should be like that. Can I move this window? Can I move that window? I want this logo in the CCP here. Some communists. And we get a large communist symbol. That wasn't the point. I'm not saying anything good or bad, but then we get the flag. Okay, so that wasn't my intention. Maybe. Wonder if LinkedIn would detect the flag. Where am I? Be a dreamer. Making a love. Let's take a print screen. Email the print screen to myself and trim it from there. Maybe I can. Take a photo. we enlarge this a little bit? Where we are, everybody. So we're pushing up here actually in the markets now. Yeah, looks like I'm late to the party and it's dangerous territory. Okay, let's jump in for a long at 17 for one more push. Plus 17. I'm late to the party, but it can also be good to be late sometimes. No, it's not. I had so from plus 17 I didn't say much about any stop loss position. Too many moments, and maybe not why you should do that. I wasn't thinking about saying anything about that, but you don't accept such a huge loss, I can tell you that. Move the stop forward, obviously. So sometimes when you've been trading a lot, some things are obvious. So you move the stop, you think you could take out this one because you have the power to do so. But from 17, I'm looking for that peak. And I'm happy when we reach it. So touch my line at 24. I'm more than happy. Move the stop forward, get stopped out. Then we might go higher. Then we can join in at 28. Oh. Let's try a short. 24, small reaction. No. Let's try a reaction to the top. This time I haven't had the courage to do so. The price is moving towards the top earlier. I'll move my stop to my entry there at 24, so it went down to 22. I would move the stop to my entry because what I'm doing is going against the trade. I'm not so good at that, at these peaks. Normally what happens is that it breaks above many times, I feel, when I do it. Otherwise it doesn't. It's how it feels. Let's try a long here. I'm normally more comfortable with a long. If it breaks, you have big momentum to the upside. You don't know how high it could get, you know. This one could definitely reach this level at least. And you know exactly where to put the risk. If you're wrong, you cannot do it too many times though. That's the only thing. Yeah, so maybe I would be considered to be stopped out there. Let's try long from 24. Terrible timing, maybe. I'm out to 22. I'm out to 24. I'll change my mind. Let's try a short. Move the profit, take profit to 21, out. Same short. And yeah, let's give it a chance. To come down more. I'll take 13, 12 there. 14 maybe, if I said it's too slow. So short from 22 to 20, from 24 to 21, and then in it again from 19 to 14, maybe 15. Then, if you guys don't accept 12, let's say I'm too slow. Let's say 19 to 15 on that one. And let's say we'll do it again, maybe from 19. Let's take a long. Let's move the stop forward. I'll take my 24. I take 24. I've stopped out at 24. Great. I can try a long. Let's see if we break up. Or if I get fooled the same way. Idiots get fooled the same way all the time. So I thought I had upside in that one. I had no idea now where to put the stop, actually. 27. Because you want to give it some room. You don't want to take a huge bet on that, which is what I have to do then. So let's get out there at 20. Give me 26. Give me 26. Give me 27. Push up then and give me the I'm right. Move the stop forward to 25. If it breaks below 25, I'm out. I'm out. Take my two in losses there. Not liking that trade in hindsight. Not liking that trade in hindsight. Speaking instead of shorting. Short from 24 to 22 again. One more. Push down. Yeah. Yeah, good. This time move the stop forward to 15. A little bit hasty. Take 13. Out at 13. Yeah. Okay. Are we going lower? As I once believed. Yeah, great trade from short from 23. Let's try not to be fooled. Okay, maybe we should go up again and range or create a little bit of trading chaos. Short then from, it's not a good time to short it, but let's short it from, wait, I'm out at 10 because I had a profit and because it is moving down, so I'm taking a risk. Maybe it breaks, so I'm using a bit of profits to take risk. What I can do there, so it's at 10, so short again at 9. So what I can do here, I'll show you how to manage it. So short again from 9. So I put the stop at 11 this time, but then I move it forward to 08. So I'll take 0.01. And short again from 7. Out at, give back that 0.1. Okay, so I want to be as a tight stop. Short from 09. And then take it at 06 again. Take the profit, move the stop forward. If it breaks, it breaks. Short from 05. Got 05 there. So that's one way to manage it. That's many times better. many times, that's better. So I'll take 02. I do the same thing again at a much worse level. In again from 03, 02 here. 02. So there's no real resistance, so that's why I don't have to be out there, which I can see, I would say. It's the resistance of the price movement itself. Yeah, let's take it at 03. It's the resistance of so plus 003. Yeah, I got plus 005 out. So I moved the stop forward and also hit the line there, so I'm out. Okay, so let's try to jump in at 04. Yeah. Oh, let me get 04. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm missing. I don't know if it's gonna break below here or not. Let's be short from 04 and try it. Now I want to see that 04. So a little bit scared here. And for the price change itself, yeah, I'll take my profit at 08. Thank you. Moved it. I got stopped out, I think. Otherwise, I moved it forward here. I take my profit at 08 there from 04. I don't know. Where are we at? It must be around 8-10%, right? So this price movement have been huge. 0.2% taken off from 17 to 0 and almost to 01, 02. It's 20 to -3. It's 25. Must have taken 15 out of that. So short again from, let's see. I'll be short from 08, betting on that we will power ourselves down to below -10. And one more push. I'll take profit here at 012. We hit my line again. I'm in it after the line, so I take it to that resistance level. I'm in it after the line. Move the stop forward there. Take 004 on this journey. I'm short again from 010. I think we're gonna push through. Yeah. I'll take 14 because it's a good profit. So I'll take 14. So 004, another 004 because it's a good profit. I want that profit. You see? I can have a reaction here to the price change now. Okay, so I'm short from 14. Looks like he wants to continue a little bit. Or was that a way to fool me? Good way to fool me. I'm out then at 13. Don't want to give away. I'm short from 15. See if we push down more. If we see 12 before 18, that means I lost money. So I'm aiming for 18 because I have to put my stop at 12 this time. Yeah. Push down. We've been going down a lot. Continue. Feel free to continue. Feel free to continue all the way down without a single green candle. Yeah, so I could take 17. But I think we're going down more actually. We've not seen the green candle yet, but it's a matter of time as well before we see a green candle. Yeah, so I can take 17. I can be short again from 16, so I'll take a profit of 2. I think this one will continue down. But I said I would take 17, so I'm short from 16. I'll keep my stop where it was at 12. With this time I'll move it to 14. Move the stop forward to 14. There's no reason to see 14 in this movement. We've seen a little bit of a green candle now, so there we had the green candle, and 14 I'm giving back the 2 I got from 15 to 17. I'll give it back now. I'm out. I don't have to give back all of my profit. I can give back half of my profit. So I'm out. Yeah, I'm short. That was what I was waiting for. So I missed from 15 to 18 there. And then I didn't catch it. So now I want to be out. Yeah, I'll take 17. I have to be in again. That was my point. So I want to be out because I think we would see 16 and 15 before we continue down. I lost myself if I'm in and out almost. Yeah. Yeah, I was watching the price. I didn't speak about any stop or stop level, but from 18, 15, it's a good stop. We don't want to see 14, so I lost 3. Let's be short from 14. And exit at 11. Upside is larger than 3 on the downside. Maybe we can be stopped out before 11. So move my stop forward to 13. So I'd rather be stopped out than have a big loss. I'll take 17 then if that's all I get. I got 14, so I have a good entry. And if you're going to behave like this, I should have taken it, as we can see, rather than having a loss of 0.01%. I should have taken a profit of 0.03%. Now I'm at 15. I'll take 16 then, because it's twice my risk at the moment. I'll take 16 and move the stop forward. It's a little bit of a change in the tempo, as we can see now. Price stopped at 16. That means we could break down, move the stop, not stop forward, because momentum changed a little bit there at 1819, so maybe now this is the push. Maybe this is what we've been waiting for, that the market will continue to push down. Or did it fool us at 16? Or we have low volume, it's going slow, it doesn't know where to go. Okay, let's take the profit then at 18. From 14 to 18, right? Yeah. So are we being fooled, or was this the push to go down? Let's try a long from 18, betting on that it wasn't the time, we're being fooled. I'll take 16, or I'll lose at 20. I'm out there, I'll take my loss at 19. Wrong decision. I'm short from 17. I'm not so sure on this one. And this could have spiked higher than 16 as well. So I'm not so sure that we're going to go below 20 before we see 15. I'll take my profit at 18. And I'll be long from 18 if I can. Continue to bet on this as long as this pattern sticks. I'll take my profit at 15, moving to 16, but maybe I didn't do that trade, so maybe 17. So it's back down to 18 again. I'll do the same thing. I think we're going to stay in this range until we're not, so I'm take the profit at 16 again. Short from 16. I think we're going to see 18. And I'm going to do it like that until price changes. So I'm out at 18. Looks dangerous. I don't want to take the same bet again. So changing pace now, as we can see a little bit here, looks a little bit dangerous. And then we're in the middle of that range. So it looks like we could break out of that range now. Yeah. I'm holding for 20. I'm holding for 20. Okay, I'm long one last time now. I'm out at 19. I'm short from 19. If you show power, okay, I'm with you. No, you're fooling me. So, yeah, let's take some risk then. Yeah, is this the move we've been waiting for? 21 from 18, then you think you're going to be a millionaire, and then you're not. So what's the gain here? Should I take the 21 from 18, or was it from 19? Take 002, or what am I looking for? It looks like we're going to hit the next line, and so on, but it will always look like we're going to hit the next line. We can make money on the way to that line as well. It's about when we get there as well, right? Will I get 24 here from 19? 22? No reason not to take 23 from the point of 20. That's a bit different. So I'll take 22 if I get it again. Move my stop to 21, and I'll take 2. I'll be short again from 20. I'll take 24 if I'm given 24. It's going to push to 25, right? So I'm short from 20. Give me 24. Okay, so danger. Yeah, I should have taken 23. That's what I mean with danger there. So I'll take 23. I'm long from 23 then to 21. Give me one more push then to 21. I'll take 2. Yeah, I'll take 21. I'll be short from 21. Yeah, give me 23. So this is of course depending on the cost of trading, if you can do this or not. Otherwise you have to bet for larger price movements and do less trades. Yeah, I can take my profit there at 22. Yeah, I got 23 because yeah, maybe call it a day. I'm gonna try to take that picture. Yeah. So another hours, that's not too bad. The thing is the time that makes you tired. So it's the 4th straight day with Asia, Europe, US. Asia, Europe, US. Okay, so let's try to get this right this time. It must be. Must be up more than 3%. Yeah, so we're finished for the day. So we've been streaming for 2 hours. Automate what I want to automate. Please have a look at this live stream. Okay, thank you for today. And let's get some sleep and see you in the European session in the morning. I think we're up maybe 12%. I don't know. Let's have a look at that before we close. So we can finish this through. Margin requirements differ is the answer. So when I'm speaking about a leverage in futures of 20 and using a leverage of 20, and there's very different ways to get there. So let's try to figure that out. So you need a low cost instrument and setup to do what I did. So it's no reason to mention options on futures or something that would cost you too much to trade these small price movements. So focus on futures and low cost brokers. Thank you.